Welcome back to Real Automotive, car enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the exciting world of automotive innovation, focusing on one of the most highly anticipated releases of the year, the 2025 Dodge Durango. But before we delve into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, smash the like button, and share this video with your fellow gearheads to stay up to date with the latest automotive news and reviews. The 2025 Dodge Durango is poised to shake up the SUV industry with its cutting-edge advancements in both performance and design. Since its inception in 2010, the Durango has been a stalwart in the mid-sized SUV segment, and the latest generation promises to elevate the driving experience to new heights. When it comes to design, the 2025 Durango boasts a striking aesthetic that commands attention on the road. With its robust lines, sculpted profile, and captivating grille, this SUV exudes confidence from every angle. While maintaining its rugged appeal, the 2025 model introduces subtle yet significant styling updates, transitioning towards a more contemporary silhouette. Expect to see a sleeker, more aerodynamic form, departing from the boxy design of its predecessors. Signature features like the iconic U-shaped grille, square headlamps, and imposing air intakes are likely to make a return, albeit with a refined touch. Furthermore, larger wheels, an aerodynamic body kit, and updated LED taillights contribute to a more aggressive and dynamic appearance. Now, let's talk power. The 2025 Dodge Durango will continue to offer a range of formidable engines, including the tried and tested options from previous models. Alongside the standard 3.6-liter V6, enthusiasts can opt for two additional V8 powertrains. Whether you prefer the 5.7-liter, 6.4-liter, or the supercharged 6.2-liter V8, the Durango delivers exhilarating performance across the board. With the supercharged V8 cranking out a staggering 701 horsepower, this SUV packs a serious punch on the road. As we eagerly await the debut of the 2025 Dodge Durango, slated for the first quarter of 2025, or potentially late 2024, pre-scene details remain shrouded in mystery. However, with the current model starting around $35,000, we can expect the new iteration to remain competitive within its segment. So gear up and get ready to experience the future of SUV excellence with the 2025 Dodge Durango. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates, like this video, and share it with your fellow automotive aficionados. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for the latest automotive adventures.